Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start right now, power the watch off or use airplane mode to avoid accidental taps, then lay it face down on a soft cloth so the screen won't scratch. Use your fingernail or a thin plastic pick at the seam where the plastic cover meets the metal case. Apply gentle, even pressure and wiggle slightly. You want to separate the clip points without bending the case. Once you see a small gap, keep the same angle and move to the next edge. Now continue around the perimeter. Insert the pick just enough to lift one clip, then slide along a short section to release the next clip sequentially. You do not pry hard at a single spot, because that concentrates force and risks cracking the plastic or denting the case. Instead, distribute gentle pressure and rotate the pick a little as you go. Make sure the watch stays flat on the cloth so you do not flex the case. Once halfway free, the rest will come out with light pulls. Finish by lifting the last clips and sliding the cover off straight. Don't twist violently. Inspect the case edges and the cover for trapped debris or bent tabs. Clean any residue using a microfiber cloth with a bit of 70% isopropyl if needed. If a tab remains stubborn, warm the plastic gently with a hair dryer on low for 10 to 15 seconds to soften it, then try again. If something bends, stop and assess to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.